Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all healthy and always in God protection. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurwinda Dewi Agustina, student number 19032 110062. I'm student of Trunojoyo University of Madura, Faculty of Agriculture Agribusiness Department. This video was created to fulfill the final exam assignment in marketing management. In this video, I will discuss the theme of the guest lecture and its relation to the motivation to export agricultural commodities, especially Indonesian nutmeg, which has a lot of potential in the world. Before discussing the export potential of Indonesian nutmeg commodities in the world, here I will discuss two guest lectures that I have attended. The first guest lecture had the theme Tantangan dalam Startup Bisnis untuk Newbie, which was delivered by Renanta Larissa Putri SP, who is the owner and agent of skincare MS Glow Socha. According to Mrs. Renanta, starting a business is a challenging for millennials. However, in starting a business, there are bound to be challenges and difficulties that startups face in the first year. To face the challenges that exist, business actors can carry out several strategies as follows: strengthening entrepreneur intention, identifying market, building time downlines, building finance, building relationship with customer, dare to show unique product, looking for partner who have the same vision and mission, always enthusiastic and never give up. Then the second guest lecture has the theme mengasah kemampuan leadership untuk membentuk jiwa entrepreneurship mahasiswa, which was delivered by Muhammad Yusri Mustahdi. According to Mr. Yusri, we must be able to be a leader for ourselves before becoming a leader for others. We must also apply the concept of mindful leadership so that it can encourage us to focus on doing something or work so that the result to be achieved can be maximized. Mr. Yusri also mentioned what character a leader must have in running his business, namely, having a clear vision, having the encourage to take risks and taking action, having high self-confidence, having skill in communication and building relationship, being a good listener, has a role model, and open-minded. Of the two guest lecture themes that I have reviewed, there is one guest lecture that motivates me if I carry out export business activities, namely a guest lecture with the theme Tantangan dalam Startup Bisnis untuk Newbie. In my opinion, the export business, whether exporting goods or agricultural commodities, must face challenges and difficulties, but it is precisely these challenges and difficulties that motivate us to try even harder so that our export business can be successful and achieve success. The strategies that have been conveyed by Mrs. Renanta is facing the challenges of the startup business can also be applied in facing challenges in the export business. The strategies include strengthening entrepreneurial intention, identifying market, building time downlines, building finance, building relationship with customer, daring to show unique product, looking for partner who have the same vision and mission, always enthusiastic and never give up. By implementing these strategies, it is hoped that it will help increase the competitiveness of our export business so that we can achieve success. If I do an export business, I will choose the nutmeg commodity export business, because nutmeg is one of the leading export commodities in Indonesia. The potential of nutmeg commodities in Indonesia is supported by several factors. The first is tropical climate. Indonesia is a country with a tropical climate which has a lot of rainfall and abundant sunlight, so it is very support for nutmeg cultivation activities. The second is land area. The area of land for nutmeg commodities in Indonesia has increased by 6.88% per year from 2011 to 2020. This certainly can support the increase in nutmeg productivity in Indonesia. According to the Directorate General of Plantation, until 2019, the total area of nutmeg plantation in Indonesia was 229 hectare, consisting of people plantation, large state plantation, and large private plantation. The third is germplasm and products that are well known in the international market. The next topic is competitiveness of Indonesian nutmeg in the world market. Indonesia is the largest nutmeg exporting countries in the world. Based on data, the development of nutmeg export volume from Indonesia and competing countries in 2007 to 2006, it can be seen that the export volume of nutmeg in Indonesia is higher than that of competing countries, although it still tends to fluctuate. The highest export volume of nutmeg occurred in 2015 with an export volume of 13.9 tons. According to Pusdatin, in 2019, the volume of Indonesian nutmeg export increased from 2015 to 2,000 tons with a value of 138.02 million US dollar, or equivalent to 1.99 trillion. They show that Indonesian nutmeg has a strong competitiveness in the world market. However, over time, the requirements set by the world nutmeg importing countries will also become stricter because there will be more choice of quality nutmeg from other exporting countries, such as India, Grenada, Guatemala, and other countries. So, that to maintain as the largest nutmeg exporter, Indonesia should not only pay attention to increasing production, but also improving quality, cleanliness, and food safety. The next is strategy for exporting Indonesian nutmeg commodities in international market. The first is improving the quality of nutmeg commodities. To maintain the quality of nutmeg, product can be done by carrying out cultivation activities, harvest processing, and post-harvest properly. In addition, Indonesia has also provided guidelines which are summaries in the Indonesian National Standard or SNE number 062388 of 2006 and International Standard Oil of Nutmeg number 3215 for the content of chemical compound. The second is product certification. Product certification is one of the strategies to encourage positive growth in Indonesia's export performance. The third is be proactive with overseas trade representative. Entrepreneurs exporting nutmeg commodities must proactively contact and follow development of nutmeg commodities from Indonesian foreign trade representative. The fourth is nutmeg should not only be sold in the form of nutmeg seeds, but also packaged attractively so that nutmeg is not only a raw commodity but also a high-end commodities and can enter international supermarket chain. So, that's discussion about export in Indonesia. If there any wrong at my speech, I said sorry about that. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.